Hi, my name is Christelle. I'm French and I went to Barcelona in March 2024. So this is the world and this is Europe. This is Europe and this is Spain. This is Spain and here is Barcelona. I have made a photography book of this trip, so here's a little extract of this book. It's currently available on my website or on my Ko-fi page as an ebook, so that's a digital copy of the book. Feel free to let me know if you enjoy it and if you would like a physical copy of this book in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I really hope that you will enjoy the book. Thank you, bye!